Hi everyone. So let's do this question. Minimum value to get positive step by sum. Okay, so minimum value to get positive step by step sum. Let's do the question. Given an array of integers, you start with an initial positive value, start value. In each iteration, you calculate the step by step sum of start value plus elements in norms from left to right. Okay, return the minimum positive start value such that the step by step sum is never less than 1. Okay, so it means start value and so start value in the beginning it will be, suppose if I choose start value as 4, then if I do 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and then 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0, so it is 0 at this step, and start value 5, then it will be 7. Okay, so because 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 3 1. So I need to return the minimum positive value of start value such that the step by step sum is never less than 1. So it should be 5, because at this point when if we start value is 4, then at this point the sum became 1 0, right? So it means that it should never be since it became 0, so yeah, it should never be less than 1. It should always be greater than or equal to 1. So yeah, that is why the answer is 5. And if it is 1 2, then something will happen. Okay, so how can I do this question then? Interesting question though. So if start value is x, then it will be x minus 3 plus 2, x minus 3 minus 3. That's 2, right? So yeah, first of all I would want to do total calculation. So this will be x minus 3 and this will be x minus 1, right? And this will be x minus 4, and this will be x minus this will be x only, and this will be x plus 2, right? So it means this will be my number, this will be my any number. So I need to return the minimum positive value such that it is never less than 1. So it should always be greater than 1. It means I think I have to find the biggest number here. Biggest negative number, I have to find the biggest negative number here. So what is the biggest negative number? It's minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. It's minus 4 here, right? So it means if I find the biggest negative number here and x, so if it is a biggest number, if the biggest negative number is minus 4, then it means x should be greater than this, you know. So biggest negative number. So here biggest negative number is 4, minus 4, minus 4, right? So only if it is greater than plus 1. Only if it is 5, then it will be 1. Yeah, I think this is the answer, right? So here 1 and 2. And 1 and 2, minimum start value should always be positive. So if everything is if there is no any negative number here, there will be no any negative number here, right? So in that case, if all numbers are positive, then in that case if all numbers are positive, then in that case I would do return 1, because 1 is the minimum positive number. In this case 1 minus 2 and minus 3, so it will be 1, then 1 minus 2 minus 1. So what is the minimum? Okay, so minimum in the beginning it will be 1. So I need to find the biggest negative number, right? So biggest negative number means I need to find the least minimum. So in the beginning, let's say minimum is 0, then if so I can just initiate with minimum is equal to 0, then first of all it will be 1, so minimum 0 and 0 is still 0, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so minimum will be minus 1 now, and minus 1, so minus 1 and minus 3 will be minus 4, and so now minimum will be minus 4. So then the answer will be 5 in this case, because only 5 minus 4 will be 1. Yeah, looks like it is very easy. So let's do that then. So let in the beginning minimum will be 0, and I need to return minimum plus 1 in the at last. And for constant norm of norms, running some okay, so this will give me the minimum number, and answer will be minimum plus 1 at the last. So this will give me the biggest negative number. Yeah, if everything is positive, then it will be minimum 0 only, so answer will be 1. Minus 3 and expected is 5. What? I mean minimum, absolute of minimum. Yeah. Or I could do minus minimum plus 1. Yep. Approach 3 prefix total. Oh, I did approach 3 then. Yeah, this is exactly what I did here. Did not find this easy. Wow, these are so easy. This was very easy. I'm really happy that I looked at, I got the maximum, I got the best solution at just one step. Because just by looking at this one, because just by looking at this I could see that okay, I need to do that, right? This was a very simple question. I think the intuition was very clear from the start. Yep. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.